further distribute within those sectors.
The JIFC is an affiliate of the mechanism of the International Conference for the Great Lakes Region, ICGLR. They do the intelligence collection to guard against issues that arise, and this intelligence collection helps to formulate and approve facts that accrue within the region due to some accusations that come in the course of neighborliness, in the course of operations, in the course of armed groups that operate within the region. As a regional mechanism, it really looks at a strategic intelligence for the ADF, because their mechanism works on all the Eastern Congo in terms of the many arms groups. It only has a strategic end state in terms of intelligence that is gathered to benefit the region, not only a specific country. So in this case, the Shuja only has intelligence which benefits the bilateral arrangement which involves the DRC and Uganda.
Yes.
First of all, South Africa. See, Bangi. Don't tell me, don't remind me.
This was on the 26th. This is Major Katamba, my public PIO, Public Information Officer.
Intelligence Fusion Center is an organization that was put forward by the 12 countries of the Great Lakes region for purposes of collecting information, dissemination, and because we collect information on armed groups, on negative forces, it was very interesting for us to come here so that we meet those who are fighting those groups. But we start with Angola, then Burundi, Congo Brazzaville, Congo Kinshasa, Uganda, Rwanda, Kenya, South Sudan, Sudan Khartoum, Central African Republic. We have done a lot because we write weekly and monthly reports that are given to the ministries of defense and taken to the presidents. Sometimes we have seen action being taken.
Olwaleero wano Muhoti wali ekitebe ekikulu ekya Mountain Division tufunye abagenyi abaddira 12. Abagenyi abo bavudde Goma mu nsi y'e Congo. Abagenyi abo nga bali mu kibiina ekitibwa Joint Intelligence Fusion Center ekituule Goma. Nga Joint Intelligence Fusion Center nakyo kiri wansi wa ekitongole oba ekibiina kigatta ensi eziri mu Great Lakes Region, ekitibwa International Conference on Great Lakes Region. Ekino ekitebe kyakyo mu Burundi. Aba Joint Intelligence Fusion Center bazze wano okusobola okufuna amawulire agakwata ku ADF n'Operation Shuja nga bwegenda. Ekitongole ekyo kye kivunaanyizibwa okulaba nga kinoonya amawulire gonna agakwata ku bubinja bwonna obulwana mu Great Lakes Region. Mukimanyi nti bungi nnyo mu Congo yokka tutegeezeddwa akulidde ttiimu eno Kano James Katera ti Congo yokka erimu obubinja 123. So bagenda nga bakuŋŋaanya amawulire bwe gatyo akwata ku bubinja obwo, kati ngaffe abalwanyisa ADF bazze okulaba nga bafuna amawulire akwata ku ADF era akulira ebikwekweto bino Major General Dick Fritolum abawadde amawulire gonna agakwata ku Operation Shuja ne ADF era babadde basanyufu nti amawulire ago bagafunye. Amawulire ago bagongerayo waggulu bwe baba bagafunye kitongole kiri ekibatwala ekinene era ne bakola okusalawo okuva waggulu eyo.
It also tells you what we do with the population down. This is where I was in school.
Une photo qui montre ce que nous faisons, les deux chefs d'état-major.
As a result of the operations, have you seen the coordinator in charge of administration, finance, and logistics?
Coordonnateur adjoint chargé de l'administration des finances et de la. Frédéric Mutabazi.
Bangasu, Zemio, Delia. And this one? Yeah, not to do it. Those for running, for exercises. Yeah. When you go to do your exercise, you can. Thank you so much. Wow.